So next is for the third problem. So a helical coil spring has a mean coil diameter of 1 inches and a wire diameter of 1/8 inches. So determine the perforation factor of the spring. So A is 1.144, B is 1.44, C is 1.1144, D is 1.1414. So for the solution, so we have the formula of PC is equals to PW over PS. So since ang PC na tayo is 4C is minus 1 over 4C minus 4 plus 0.615 over C over PS na 2C plus 1 over 2C. So ako lang siya ni sa 1, ako lang siya ni compute. So magawa 1 point for the numerator, 1.184 for the denominator of 1.0625. So natin magawa 1.1144 which is another C.